Meanwhile, Kilifi North MP Owen Baya has directed squatters who are facing eviction from the Nyeni land in Kilifi not to step out of the disputed land. Baya is instead asking them to rebuild their houses demolished by police officers on Thursday morning. The MP promised to move to court today to apply for stay orders. The disputed area measures 230 acres. The demolition, left over 2,000 people homeless. The legislator has faulted how the eviction was executed and warned that he would sue the National Police Service with malicious property damage. Over 30 students living within the demolished area have not been able to go to school after losing all their school materials, including books and uniforms. Nyeni Community Chairman Mataza Kilumo says that they will not leave the area, and some people have already started rebuilding their houses after the demolitions. The affected residents say that some foreign nationals were seen surveying the area.
Mahakama haikuwa imetoa eviction notice. Hatukuwa na eviction notice. Tulikuwa na order ya restraining order. Nyinyi msijenge na wale pia wasivunje. Lakini vile ilienda paka kwamba ile restraining order iliyokuwa watu walidharau, ni kuonesha kwamba walidharau koti na walidharau pia sheria za nchi. Kwa hiyo tumesema tutaenda kule kotini tena tuulize kwa nini. Na pia hiyo restraining order ikuwe lifted, watu wakae mpaka mahakama itakapoamua tena, mahakama Court of Appeal itakapoamua tena hatima ya hii ardhi. Katika hili pigano lenu na